Today we are winterizing the chicken coop. First step, my dad is gonna put the hay in there. Sister, you gotta grab Maria. Maria likes to escape. She's so cute though. Wanna say hi? Oh, look at this little beautiful lady. This little beautiful mysterious lady. And look at all the ladies. Some of them already finished their molts and already are feathered and beautiful. There's some still in the process of molting.
Look at her.
Kind of like the white one over there. And here we have girlies like her that are molting-ish. I don't know what you're doing, sweetie. She's still pretty young, so she hasn't like fully molted yet. Your truck?
Should I bring it?
Yeah. Okay. The hay helps their little feet stay warm and cozy. Right, ladies? Look how warm and cozy it looks. How warm and cozy. So we just came from Home Depot and we got the plastic. See this one? First you have to measure your chicken coop. And ours measures 26 by 6. Yeah, but you gotta measure yours. And then you gotta go to Home Depot, get yourself some clear plastic sheeting, and make sure it's up from 6 to 8 mils. And make sure it's clear, because when it's, well, the mils, I don't know what the mils do, but I guess it's how thick it is or something, and how warm it's gonna be. And you want to get the clear plastic one so the sun can hit the chicken coop and it'll make it nice and cozy. It'll make it nice and cozy, and it'll act kind of like a greenhouse. That way it's nice and warm inside. Ew, there's a dead rat. That's a dead rat right there.
It's frozen solid.
Oh, you punctured it. Ew. It's decomposing. No, we're good. We're good.
Film it.
No, we're good. We're good. Look how beautiful that looks. And we're gonna wrap it around the whole thing. See? And then here it is. It's just bang, bang, bang all the way. What I've heard some YouTubers say is to put like a little bit, to lower it down a little bit, that way the top can serve as like ventilation or something. My dad says we can just cut holes on it and that'll help with their ventilation problems. So we'll see how that goes. And there's my sister helping. She's such a big girl now. Yes, so cute. Go around and around and around. And it's gonna be a nice little warm hut. My sister's using her handy dandy pocket knife that she she is cutting the excess from the bottom. And that excess I think we're gonna use over there. Look at what my mom made for the chicken. We had a little tree. We cut the branches off. It was a little fake one. Now we're using it for the ladies. Ooh, we're checking the chickens now.
Ja.
Hi, ladies. Hey, you like it? Isn't it so nice? Ladies, Maria. Oh, it's so nice and warm in here. Yeah. She's cutting 4 fingers, not 4 inches. 4 fingers is not the same as 4 inches. Ah, lady, Maria. Please, thank you. There's a little flaw in the design. Actually, no, there isn't. Never mind. There we go. Now my daddy's doing the little finishing touches. Bum bum.
Can you cut this corner?
Here we have the nice beautiful wreath that we put right there. Here we have, I'm not sure this is where my mom would want the little thing to be. Actually, I think it should be more like here.
A little post.
Yeah, a little post or something. There we go. See, that's cute. Like, we keep that there. And we put that little thingy thing there. We didn't know where else to put it. But basically, we have all of this now. I think it looks great. It looks so cute. And Sister helped. Yay. And it's so cute. And it's so Christmassy. And it's so fun. And they're nice and cozy and warm in there. Yeah.
It kind of looks like a
That's
person.
cool.
Like, you see that's the face. Like in the movie.
Yeah, yeah. The shadow of the little thingy thing looks like a human.
Ponemos luz allá adentro.
If you want to. And now we're putting little lights in the coop. It's gonna look so cute and preppy. Very cutesy.
Excuse me.
Very demure. Is this one already going to bed? What you doing? It's so preppy. Yeah, it's very pretty.
Why is it on?
I don't know.
I'm not supposed to be on.
Oh.
Hold on.
So pretty though.
Oh, it's the lady no lo puso.
What are you doing?
Estirado, pata.
Oh, so cute. Ladies, look. It's gonna be a party in here. Why are you in bed?
Todo esto va a estar encendido entonces.
Look at this lady over here. She's already in bed. Girl, what you doing?
It doesn't have much energy.
She said, I'm bored. Ooh, there goes Brownie. And they fit perfectly. Oh, is she going to bed already too? Brownie. Don't do this, sweetie. Oh, there we go.
¿A qué hora le ponemos que se enciendan? ¿A las 5?
I think, yeah, 5 o'clock. Because look, these ladies are already sleeping.
Ok, mire pues, mire. Los que están levantados es
When, yeah.
5, y se va a apagar a esta hora.
Good.
What time is it?
It is 4:14.
Okay. Okay, right there.
Brownie.
Bye.
Vámonos.
Bye bye, ladies.
Ya vamos a venir a ver.
Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.